Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Solana price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. We're gonna start with Solana here on the daily or on the all-time history first for a quick review. Where are we here in the price? What are we looking for? So basically we are in an impulse wave 1 or wave A, correction followed by a wave B or a wave 2, another impulse meaning wave 3 in a diagonal, and then 4 and a 5, or we are here in a zigzag finished wave A, wave B, and looking for higher, and even final scenario as double 1, 2 here, and then unfolding a wave 3 toward the upside. As you can see, all the scenarios here are bullish, of course, but requires a correction 3 waves ABC. And this scenario was, of course, called since months, I think, and we were still in the top here. And there we are reaching below the $75 as expected, because it was the minimum target here required for this correction. 0.38 is the minimum requirement as well for a 1, 2 here, and of course to get a wave 3 toward the upside. Wave C is unfolding as double 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 4, and a 5. So we still, of course, have one more wave 5 toward the downside to be unfolding, of course, for lower prices. On the 4-hour chart, we can see clearly, of course, after this drop here in double 1, 2, we have wave 3, wave 4, and a 5 finished, and currently you have finished another wave 4 here. And then, of course, taking the 0.23, the minimum requirement for a wave 4 in the red box, and we start to see a diagonal over there unfolding as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 in a wave 1, 2, and we start double 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, and a 5 to continue and impulse toward the downside here. So I would say the ABC here can, of course, still be working, but yeah, I don't see a finished yet structure unless, of course, it is a finished impulse there. We're gonna see, of course, if this is the case scenario, meaning that you have finished here a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, a very deep wave 5, and extended, and then you start to push impulsively toward the upside. We will see, guys, if this is a case scenario where we are still looking, of course, for something much more corrective in a wave 4 before we drop down. But basically, I doubt it still. We still need, of course, the invalidation here on the 1-hour chart. By all means, if we are in a 1, 2, and wave 3 unfolding, you need to see a double 1, 2, wave 3, wave 4, and a 5, 4, and a 5. Currently, we're still very far still from invalidation, of course, for the bearish. And of course, I still see a potential wave 3 there. And this might be a wave 4. It's a very sharp zigzag. If you go into the 15-minute chart, you can see here, this is an impulse as a potential 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave A, B, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 wave C potentially unfolding here. Because yeah, I see here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It looks like a zigzag there, yeah, and it might, of course, push for lower again, unless, of course, this is gonna transform to double 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so we gotta be careful. 82.86 is our invalidation of anything bearish, meaning if the price continues to reach, of course, this target, then okay, it's done. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Finished wave C, potentially an ABC here, and you're looking for A, and then B here, large wave B, and then wave C toward the upside. Okay, so this is regarding Solana. Of course, let's watch the invalidation 82.86. If the price stays below this, then we're pushing, of course, for lower as expected on the daily as well. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.